I just bought a Miata from Facebook Marketplace, and I think it's better than my Porsche. Look at my freaking wing! No, it's not good. Oh my god, I did it!
That was sick.
Dude, it's my GT4 time. This is my new race car Miata. Got it on Facebook Marketplace, fully track prep with the various aero kit, sway bars, shocks. Pretty much ready to go. But before I test it out in autocross, it's missing one important thing. A bucket seat.
She was about to learn installing bucket seats suck.
Oh fuck, it's heavy. 29.5. It's heavier.
No way. What?
This is a weight gain.
Whoa. Hello.
You've been scanned.
Okay, but it looks cool, and I'm okay with that.
Should've gone to carbon in your Miata. That's the whole world. Oh yeah, that's not how it works. This will not line up with anything at all.
Okay, so this is really high. No, it's...
But you can't drive it at all.
It's not good. Yeah, it's really far. Like...
You can't bottom out the clutch?
I have to reach for my heel toe. Okay, should we eat our dessert and call it a night?
Come back tomorrow.
There's no way this is only board. This feels the same.
Jasmine, my girl. I don't know what to tell you.
I couldn't even bottom out the clutch.
It honestly might be easier to make Jasmine taller.
We haven't even opened the back of this.
Like since you got it?
Yeah. Like, what if these brackets work better? So we just need sliders. It's less expensive than the whole kit.
PCI. So like, what if we Marco sliders, put them on this,
and that's it. That's all we need.
that's it.
We're so stupid. We really should have checked the trunk. Day 3. I'm on my way to pick up some PCI slider. Luckily, all these like racing stores are right next to me. Goods secured.
Is it better?
If this works, I'm a genius. Oh my god, I did it! That's pretty good.
You did a great job.
Thank you. I'm so sweaty and hungry. I only had 2 bonus laps to try the Miata, but here's how it went. Sat pretty low. Oh my god, like...
That was very good. Very, very good.
I could have taken like a lot of those, a lot more. Like that was like easy, you know?
Yeah,
that was fun.
That
was fun. Oh my god, that's like so like it's amazing. It just like points, you know? I was lifting a lot where I didn't have to lift, and the seats they feel so good.
Yeah, over here I'm like fucking
yeah, and then it just didn't bring traction. That's crazy. It's a good car.
You breathe?
I don't know.
Damn!
That's my GT4 time.
That was sick.
Dude, that's my GT4 time. Oh my god, that was so good. That felt really good. Oh,
That's a good car, dude.
oh my god.
Yeah,
That
you
was-
the car really quick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Autocross test day was a success. I'm so excited for this car. It's going to be our dedicated track car. Now I have to go back in my GT4. It doesn't handle as well as this.